rain on my face. I'd like to go out in the rain to hide my face. I'd like to go out in the rain to hide my face. I'd like to go out in the rain to hide my face.
From the first seconds, knew that I never neglect this friendship, cause I will always respect you, hold you close as I can, and always accept that one day you might decide to even reject this. I come to terms that one day I'll be missing your kisses, and one day I see you with him off in the distance. And when we talk, I know sometimes you think I don't listen, but yes, girl, when you're gone, I really will miss you. Cause this world that we living in without you is senseless. Always be there in an instance when this world's being vicious. If you need my assistance, be your eyes if you need vision. The rainbow, your tears form when the sun makes a prism. And thank you for the laugh that you give it. Let the kiss out them pictures. In the summer we were tripping. I feel that there's resistance. That's why I'm not persistent. Just know I always love you. Let that be your wisdom.
In the rain to hide my face. I'd like to go out in the rain to hide my face. Hey, I'd like to go out in the rain. I like to go out in the rain to hide my face.
Your love is an opiate with your powerful potion kiss. I'm feeling so fortunate just having you close to me. Making love to the slugs, the most beautiful poetry. Who do you love? Think about it, my lady, and then you notice me. I love you into my next life, but somehow you don't even notice me. And when you're going, you sing the song called I Wish He Was Holding Me. Baby doll, I love you realer than I'm supposed to be, but you don't respect me. You're sad to become a ghost to me. Hopefully we can stay together, you can roll with me, but we can't. And right now my heart is Novocaine. I stroll through the rain to hide the tears on my face. I love you, baby. Without you, I would go insane.
Around in the rain. I like to go out in the rain to hide my face. I like to go out in the rain. I like to go out in the rain on my days.
That beard talking. That's just funky. That shit was funky.
But we do actually like to go out in the rain.